In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your to-dos with Todoist. If you're looking for a way to better manage your tasks and boost productivity, then you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Todoist's login page. Just type in apptodoist.com of login in the address bar. Once you're there, it's as simple as logging in to kickstart this fantastic organizational journey. Alright, now that you're logged in, let's move on to creating a project. This is a crucial step because it allows you to categorize your tasks efficiently. On the sidebar, look for the plus icon next to My Projects and give it a click. This is where the fun begins in setting up your personalized workspace. Here, you'll be prompted to add a name for your project. Choose something that clearly identifies the tasks you plan to group under this project. Next, pick a color that makes it visually distinct. This will be helpful when you have multiple projects down the line. You can also choose how you'd like to view your tasks, whether it's in a list or a board format. And if you're on the pro or business plans, you're in luck, because there's also an option for a calendar view. This makes planning easier than ever, giving you a clear picture of your timelines. With your project ready, it's time to add your first task. It's easy. Just click on Add Task while you're in your new project space. Type in the task name, and while you're at it, don't forget to include a date. Adding dates keeps you organized and ensures you don't miss out on deadlines. Sometimes tasks can be pretty big, right? If that's the case, don't hesitate to break them down into subtasks. Simply select any main task, click Add Subtask, and type in the name and date for it. You'll notice an arrow next to your main task, which allows you to view or hide these subtasks. To maintain a tidy project space, you can organize tasks further into sections. Just hover below your list, and you'll see a nifty line named Add Section. Clicking it allows you to create sections, making task management a breeze. Now, there might be times when you're unsure which project a task belongs to, and that's perfectly okay. Just add such tasks to your inbox, which you'll find at the top of the sidebar. Every task you haven't assigned to a project will collect here by default. Moving tasks from your inbox to a specific project is straightforward. Just select the task to view it. Use the project icon and assign it accordingly. Todoist also lets you stay on top of everything with the Today and Upcoming views. Just click there to see all tasks scheduled for today or even plan out the week ahead. Finally, checking off completed tasks is incredibly satisfying. Simply click the circle next to them. To review everything you've accomplished, click the three dots icon at the top of your project and select Completed Tasks. And there you have it. A streamlined process to manage your tasks with Todoist. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.